If you are also facing the same issue of Outlook not syncing emails or receiving emails properly, then in this video, we are going to fix that. The first thing to do is to check notifications from Microsoft Outlook. If you have turned off notifications for a specific email account, here's how to fix it. Long tap on the Microsoft Outlook app icon and tap on App Info. Tap on Notifications. Now enable alerts for the accounts for which you want to receive notifications. If you face constant syncing issues, Microsoft Outlook allows you to reset an account. To do that, open Outlook on your Android phone. Tap on the home icon in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon to open Settings. Select an email account and tap Reset Account from the following menu. Finally, tap on Continue to restart the Outlook app. The app will reset your email account to fix syncing issues. You can also try removing your account and adding it again inside the Outlook app to fix the issue. Doing that in a way resets and starts a fresh sync with the servers for your emails. To do that, open Outlook on your Android phone. Tap on the home icon in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon to open Settings. Now select the mail account that you wish to delete and confirm your decision. Now return to Settings and tap on Add Mail Account. Enter your email address and password to add your account again. By default, Outlook enables a focused inbox to show you your most important emails. Outlook might send otherwise relevant emails to the Other inbox. If you occasionally miss new emails due to a focused inbox, then you should disable it. To do that, launch the Outlook app, tap on the home icon in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon to open Settings. Now just disable the toggle next to Focused Inbox. You can now check all the latest emails from a single place. You might face issues with fetching new emails in the background if there is restricted data usage. You need to enable unrestricted data usage for Outlook to let it function normally when Data Saver is on. To do that, long tap on the Outlook app icon, and then tap on App Info. Scroll down and tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Finally, tap to enable the toggle for unrestricted data usage. Apps often collect cache data in order to improve app performance. A corrupt Outlook app cache may lead to the app not receiving emails issue on Android. To fix that, long press on the Outlook app icon, and then tap on App Info. Now tap on Storage and Cache. Finally, tap on Clear Cache. Lastly, if none of the solutions are working, then you can try to update the app on your Android device. Head over to the Play Store and check to see if there are any new updates available. If an update is available, download and install it. Hopefully, you are now able to fix the issue of emails not syncing properly with Microsoft Outlook on Android. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.